I'm also going to try the Ohemaa Bonsu. I actually just watched a video today. I just started filming, mainly because I feel like it now. Anyways, and that video is on eyeshadow for beginners, brows, no falsies, full liner, and very detailed. So I just watched it. I actually watched it about more than twice because I just want to kind of get a good understanding of how, you know, to apply the eyeshadow and blending it. What I'm trying to get at is that she did her eye look before applying her foundation. I'm gonna try that again. I did that with my Wahala palette video. Aside from that, I think I'm even wearing the same shirt I wore for my Wahala palette. Maybe I should change my shirt. I'm gonna go change my shirt. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Temie. Thanks for clicking to watch this video. Please stick around, and to my returning subscribers, hi guys, welcome back. I can't even talk. Welcome back, and thank you so much for clicking to watch yet another video of mine. So this video, I started with one idea and it turned out to be a totally different idea. So this look right here is actually me following a tutorial that I watched. So I'm gonna be creating this look following Ohemaa Bonsu's beginner friendly eyeshadows for beginner. I literally watched that video several times because I really love the look. I kind of use whatever shade that looked very similar that I have with me to create this similar look. So I just want you guys to let me know if I did okay. I mean, I really love the outcome. This is the outcome. I love it. It's beautiful. So please do enjoy this video, and I will see you soon. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Oh man, I haven't worn makeup in so long and it feels good to put makeup on. Okay, I'm alright with this shade. Plus it matches my nails. I did a video on how I apply my press-on nails. I don't know if you guys have seen that video, but yeah, these are the same nails. I'm still wearing them. My goodness, I am ashy. Okay, so I already did this eyebrow. I'm using the NYX Micro Burr Pencil in Espresso. I'm not used to using eye pencils, but I think I just have to be more patient with them. A random angled brush. I'm gonna take an angled brush like she said. What did she say? Concealer. I think I'm gonna go with this Ohemaa concealer in the shade Brown Sugar T3. And I'm gonna start just like she started, right here under my eyebrow. Okay, so she used the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I think it's the Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm gonna use that.
So we're gonna use the e.l.f. Putty Primer. Prime our eyelid.
Okay, so I'm gonna get me a regular eyeshadow blending brush, which I'm just gonna use, like she said, a random one, and here's one right here. And then she said to use a mattifying concealer. I'm gonna continue using this Ohemaa Stay Woke concealer because this thing is very thick, and I think the whole line is like mattifying anyways. And she said to put it in the middle like this.
That I feel like I don't want too much of an intensity, or I want it to set as quickly as possible. I'm gonna put like that much on my eyelids. I'm gonna blend it out with a random
I hope
brush.
that's
This
enough.
is an eyeshadow blending brush. You can also use it to blend out your eyeshadow base.
Yeah, this is already drying out very, very quickly.
You just have to do like a patting motion and swipe it, okay? And don't put too much the first time.
Ohemaa, you're a good teacher.
I'm taking the blending eye brush.
What do you want, babe?
The Retro Rose collection.
Your head did you. You did you very well. I've never had to do my makeup like this, but so far I'm quite impressed at as far as the technique goes. I'm quite impressed. Yeah. If you want to learn makeup, don't look at me. I'm not a teacher. I'm not even I just like to put makeup on. But yeah, if you want to learn how to do makeup well, like with a good teacher, or not someone that is just, you know, going all over the place, or not like sticking to topic, which can kind of throw you off. I mean, there's not a lot of people that are like that. People like to gossip in between, so I guess that's just some people. But if you want someone that will tell you what you need to do and get right to the point, Ohemaa Bonsu is your plug, period. So now I'm going to go with, what shade did she say she's going to do now? So I'm going to go with Ginger, and I'm going to use my Smoky Eye set, brush set to do this. Okay, so she took a shade called Spice from the Retro Elf collection that she used, but I'm going to be using the Jackie I Know palette. It looks more like edges, so I'm gonna go with edges. Yeah, this is a blending brush. This is an elf blending brush. Okay, and she's putting it right here. This is very pigmented, so I have to tap off. This is a really nice brush. Okay, so she's going to be applying a shade that is like a bluish shade, but I don't have that bluish shade, so I'm going to use Sponsored from this palette and apply it as she says. And this is a flat brush like she said, and I'm going to apply it right in the area where I did not apply any eyeshadows. Me, I don't like using my hand to apply shimmer shades because I never get it right. I have a better control with a flat brush. Okay, so I already like the way this look, and she used 2 shades. I am just going to add just one more shade because I don't know, I feel like it. So Dollars or Dwellers, I'm gonna put it right here. My son is back, just in the middle of my eyes. You wanna go pee? Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Added Dollars to my eyes right there, to the edges of my eyes. Okay, so she already applied her foundation here, so I'm wiping off those glitter before applying any foundation and stuff. So I'm doing the same thing now, and then I'm going to apply my foundation and I'll be back. So she had the waterline, yeah. She had a purple liner or eyeshadow pencil, and I have this shiny 30 chunky pencils for eyes and lips. I've had this for a long time. I just hardly ever go to it, but now it comes in handy. So I picked out the purple shade in here. There's another purple one, but I think the one that she has is very similar to this purple in here. So I'm gonna use the purple for my waterline. You guys able to see the purple? But yeah, I'm able to see the purple. I don't want my eyes to stop watering, so I'm gonna leave it as that. I'm gonna go in with the Patricia Bright palette. I'm gonna use Stargirl, which is a black shade right here, for my under eye, to kind of go with the similar shades that Ohemaa is using in here. And I'm also using the small precision brush for that. So now I'm gonna use this Studio Makeup eyeliner pen and apply the liner directly to my lashes. So I have lined my eyelashes or eyeliner or whatever, and now I'm going to put on mascara. For this video, I'm gonna be trying the Lash Boom Volume Mascara by Temie Dazzling. This that I got from when I purchased her lashes. So this is the Temie Dazzling lashes. So I'm gonna apply that to my lash. So this is my eye with Temie Dazzling. This is my this eye has the Temie Dazzling mascara on it, and this eye does not. So you guys can see how well it works. It literally lifted my hair up, you know. So, well, what's next? Oh, inner corner. So maybe I should just go with Icon. I think I'm gonna do Icon instead then. So it looks like she used a flat brush, but I have a feeling because my eye shape is different from hers, I'm gonna use this tiny, it's like a pencil, I think it's called an eyeliner brush, using the Patricia Bright You Are Gold shade. Can you guys see the inner corner eye? Okay, so this is the final look that I was able to come up with following Ohemaa Bonsu's step-by-step tutorial, and also using the e.l.f. Smoky Eye brush kit, and I used some other brushes that worked for me to create this look. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do give it a like by hitting a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed yet, and share this video as well, and I will see you in my next video, Lord willing. Bye guys, have a good one.